Good morning. My name is Muhammad Ramadan. I'm from Telkom University and my department is Information System. Today I will present my paper. The title is The Performance Computation of Nest.js using Server-Side Rendering and React using Client-Server Rendering under Dynamic Loading Strategy. This work was conducted with Mr. Sinung, Mr. Eki, and Mr. Eddy. The study compared Next.js and React in the both simple and the complex application before and after loading optimization. And next, this is my structural my paper is about background and research gap, research design, application and technique, result, framework and comparison and conclusion. Next, okay, why this study is very matters. Why performance directly after the use experience and adjustments. Next and React we find are both widely used, but they rely on different rendering pipelines. Next.js using hybrid model with server-side rendering capability, while the React configuration is study using client-side rendering. Because Next.js is built on React, the observer different mainly come from rendering behavior rather than from the programming language or ecosystem. And next, this about a contribution about the study. One, the quantitative about characterization, how the networking strategy affect performance across from and complexity condition. Two, first content painful fixed by rendering architecture, and total blocking time remains generally responsive to application level optimization. And three, the effectiveness of each technique save win an application rendering profile and data density. And the four, ablation the plus, bundle size, and memory data show gains time from rendering behavior, not smaller playout. And next, in here, the figure, the slide illustration, the experience flow, the coordination using 2 kali 2 kali 2 the factorial magic, and the two framework, Next.js and React, the two complexity level, simple and complex, and two optimistic condition. And the baseline are the four technical bin. There's a factor, the project I configuration H the for the system, whereas the task with the every optimization the technique individually. Production and 16 additional ablation the configuration in the total the study evaluated 24 configuration as the configuration where the measure answer in the Google Lakehouse version 11 under the identical condition while memory usage was measured over 3 runs. And next, what's a different simple and complex? Simple using single root, no share layout, linear rendering, and using three API routes and eight reactive step variables. And different with complex, using three routes, different dashboard, asset management, and maintenance under share 105 line layout and totally 8 to 9 for the total line code, the full code, the next component, 3 to 4 API routes. And the 5 formatting filtering. This is different about the simple and the complex in the my application paper. Yeah, this is why I choose this is optimization for my research. The one they call the splitting. Code splitting reduce ada suspend, ada initial.js, and delay completion until net. And then use Colton UI, the fixed dimension, the placeholder, so on the well, the fixing data, keep layout stable, reduce commit left shift or child s, and three image lazy loading. This is for using reduce a non-critical image with explicit with height to avoid shift. And then the DOM pagination is a cap and initial DOM nodes that will start at 550 rows and a condition at 10 items with a lot more. And next, All measurement we are conduct with Google Lighthouse version 11 through ComDev tools in incognito mode. The next JS and React we with the fight run on spared local boards, but the same Laravel brace backend the test dataset. The main metrics we are performance score FCP, LCP, TBT, LCS, and the speed index. The study also the calculate education cost plus TBT, and this value is only directional indicator of the gap between the first span and interactivity. And next, this is the main result is that optimization has strong effect on total blocking time. At the baseline, TBT was 170 milliseconds for the next JS sample, 109 second millions of for the next JS, the complex 134 milliseconds for the React simple, and 6010 for millisecond for the React simple. After communication all technique, this value to 0, 20, 0, and 60 millisecond. This represents table total blocking time reduction of 91 to 100%. At the same time, the first one score increased by 30 to 40 points. And next, this is performance score before versus after optimization. And you can see our example have increased for the performance score using optimization. And this is a proof about optimization increase about Next.js and Simple.js. Next, this ablation analysis identification the contribution of each technique individually. The pagination is the strong technique every system, reducing total booking time by 98% in the next example, 99% in the Next.js complex, and 100% in the React simple, and 80% in the React complex. Code splitting and make lazy loading also provide substantial reduction, although their effectiveness depend on the application context. In the context, Scotland UI produce the small temperature reduction. Next, and look at see this is slide highlight trade-off between code splitting and layout stability. The core web vital that result for the content layout safe is 0, 1 when the code splitting and apply alone, class rise 0, 1 to 1 in Next.js complex, and 0, 1, 1, 2 in React complex. Placing both the system above the threshold that has happened because component appear only after they are tuned have a load with enough reservoir size. And Skeleton UI address this issue by providing fixed dimension the placeholder. When all four techniques are coming, CLS fallback to 0058 in the Next.js complex and 0018 in the React complex. Therefore, the main contribution to column UI the complex for the layout shift introduced by other technique, especially code splitting. And you can see this is the environmental size using optimization, React, and Next.js. And then you can see this memory analysis show more variable pattern than TBT. Under the complex workload, React has higher peak happy using the Next.js. The 5 on the 6 variants this consistent with the CSS pipeline that keep more data and the rendering state on the client. However, for the last record help value, Next.js is higher in the 4 next 6 variants. This suggests that React tends to write high per page release with the memory afterward. No single technique constantly reduce page memory across all systems. And next, Hidden cross is calculated as FCP plus T beta in the millisecond. At baseline, the value range from 127 to 252 millisecond. After communication L4 technique, the value fall to 200 millisecond for the Next.js and 200 millisecond for the complex. And next, in the complex scenario, Next.js in the complex scenario, Next.js clearly leads in the FCP and 0 to second compared with 102 seconds for the React. This advantage come from server-side rendering the delivery per 100 HTML cell for optimized total blocking time. Two framework convert miraculously at 20 milliseconds for the Next.js and 10 milliseconds for the React because the packs still perform data rendering and accompanying word the client. And here the list for my presentation. In the calculation, combining the four optimization technique increase performance score by 30 to 40 points and reduce total block time by 91 to 100%. And total block time is the metric most sensitive to optimization, while FCP is mainly determined by server-side rendering or client-side render architecture. The pagination, the primary driver lower total block time and higher cost. Skeleton UI has only limited effect on total block type, but is important for the controlling common to the left side of the thread of introduced by code the splitting. And Badassas and memory use the show the consistent improvement, confirming that gains come from rendering loading behavior. And Next.js preferable when initial pan in its main property, while React remains competitive in total blocking time and class certificability. The study limits by one run per configuration, the three run memory, and single desktop profile. And unauthenticated bed and with the product for the footer work the salt include configuration interval mobile testing total networks real user monitoring and more complex scenario. And this is my presentation and thank you.